Planet Earth, our 4.543 billion-year-old spherical world comprised of 4 layers of rocks, minerals and other elements. As far as we know, is the only astronomical object to inhabit life forms. But how do we know this? How do we come up with these sorts of conclusions if we haven't explored the whole universe? Well, astrologists and astronomers are working on exactly that, discovering and exploring other planets and solar systems through an investigative process known as space exploration. Space exploration is defined simply as the investigation of space, the intergalactic void beyond our little planet. Space exploration specifies in intergalactic research, examination, observation of celestial entities such as planets, suns and cosmic phenomena. Along with this, space exploration involves advancements in technological devices to develop our understanding of the universe beyond our solar system and achieve futuristic ideals such as time travel and hyperspace travel, with some devices such as satellites and space probes plan to explore other solar systems and galaxies. According to NASA, space exploration has many benefits such as intergalactic discovery of planets and galaxies, the development in scientific advancements and technology to assist in industrial productivity, advancements in cordless tools and biomedical technology, and expanding the human knowledge of space. But does it really have significant relevance in our society today? Thus, my hypothesis was comprised. Due to the vast amount of media attention surrounding space exploration today, society will have a strong belief in the significance of space exploration, as it has never been more relevant in our society today, specifically when it comes to intergalactic discovery from developments and advancements in technology and human curiosity. Through conducting surveys and interviews, there is a clear pattern amongst certain aspects on opinions on space exploration. From the 32 survey responses, the ages varied from 10 to 16-year-olds to individuals over 60 years old. 59% of survey responses were from individuals from the ages of 10 to 16, displaying that the majority of the responses were from a student perspective. This is a significant factor in the results, as science has a major focus point in Australian education, specifically in high schools where it is taught that space exploration is significant. 84% of responses stated that the most influential part to the growth of space exploration is human curiosity. However, 6% stated other, and stated that space exploration has become more of a race and necessity for survival. 68.8% of responses said that Australia contributes a minimal amount both economically and physically to space exploration, whereas the leftover 32% believe that Australia contributes a decent amount to space exploration, conveying that the temporary Australian society has minimal knowledge on our contribution to space exploration. 53.1% of survey participants believe that a new perspective on our solar system, specifically with satellite images, is the most important outcome of space exploration, followed by a knowledge on the size of the universe at 12.5%. 53.1% of responses said that there has been minimal media attention in the last 12 months on space exploration. The remaining 40.6% said that there has been a decent amount of media attention. 46.9% of responses outlined that the funding in space exploration should continue, whereas 53.1% said that we should focus the money on another field that would directly benefit our society. And correspondent with this question was where space exploration funding should go, with 37.5% of responses residing with developing renewable energy sources. There is a common response that if the general public were to plan a space exploration program, the average responses you would get are 1. Discover new life forms, 2. Discover new planets, particularly ones that can sustain human life, and 3. Research the origin of the universe. Discovering life forms on other planets is the most common objective, as the attention surrounding alien life forms in films has become a norm in society that has become such an influential point in the perspective humans have on space. 78% of responses said that they believe space exploration is relevant in today's society based on the perspective it gives us on the vast scale and importance of the universe and the technological advancements that are outcomes of exploration. The 12.5% of responses that said that space exploration is irrelevant to society was based off the amount of money that goes into funding the programs, when there are societal issues that could benefit from this funding. The remaining 9.5% saw both negative and positive outcomes and sit on the fence. Dr. Alan Duffy is an Irish-born Australian astrophysicist whose current research is based on dark matter and its nature. With technological advancements, Dr. Duffy uses supercomputers to create universes to obtain a visual understanding of how galaxies form and focus on his current research of dark matter. Dr. Duffy creates local universe simulations to test these galaxy formations and dark matter theories. Dr. Duffy's biggest contribution to astronomy in Australia is through him being a co-investigator in SABRE, the world's first dark matter detector in the Southern Hemisphere, located at the bottom of a SUPL gold mine in Victoria. This detector consists of ultra-pure sodium iodine crystals doped with thallium. When occasionally struck by a dark matter particle, the nucleus of a crystal atom recoils away, becoming excited during the collision and releases energy as a high-energy gamma ray. This release of energy will subsequently glow, signifying proof of dark matter. From this report, it is clear that there is a strong correlation with responses that disagree with the relevance of space exploration due to the amount of money that goes into funding. Although it is true that there is a lot of money that goes into funding space exploration programs, there are numerous benefits towards space exploration. Space exploration is based on the exploration of other planets of our solar system, potentially discovering other life forms, finding dark matter, and uncovering the new frontier of physics, the nature of dark energy. My hypothesis was proven to be both correct and incorrect, as society did believe that space exploration had significant relevance to today's society. However, the reason why was different. It is not from media attention as I had predicted, but rather education on the topic, along with technological advancements and human curiosity. It is clear that society believes that space exploration has never been more relevant than it is today.